Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Life with Spike. We're just headed down the road. We're going back over the WAC Bennett Dam, and then we're going to get gas, and then we're going to find somewhere else to go. But right now, I'm at a loss, and I'm really glad I was paying attention because stuff like this always happens. I've got this sign here, and as you can tell, somebody's scraped off the number or the number's worn off, and I don't know what radio channel it is. Fortunately, I was smart, and I took a picture of the Resource Road channel before I entered the road on the other side of that road. So if you're out and about, make sure you take a little picture of the signs that you come across just to make sure you have the Resource Road channel that you need to safely travel down those forestry roads. Now, some people may think, yeah, you don't really need radio, but it is safer to have a radio. So if you can afford to get one, and then you'll have radio. And then you can hear when there is active logging. You'll hear when the logging trucks are coming by without your ear out the window trying to hear logging trucks coming at you. We're going to go take a quick stop at the viewpoint, and then we'll take off from there and go get some gas. All right, guys. See you guys down the next bend. You can just hear it humming away. I wonder what that hum is. Is that the turbines going, or is that just like the transformers at the substation? Like what's going on over there? Curious. It should almost just take the tour. There's a tour. I'm not sure how much it costs. It's probably not crazy expensive, but it'd be cool to go actually in the big tunnel there to see what's underneath that big rock and how it all works. Because yeah, you see this dam, and then there's a sinkhole in the bottom somewhere where the water goes through and then gets straight through a turbine, which spins the turbine, which creates the electricity. But it's just nice to see like how it all works. It's just nice to see how it functions, you know? All right, guys, let's hit the trail. We'll see you guys around the next bend. All right, guys, we made it to Hudson's Hope. We're now back on the main highway on our way to Chetwynd. We'll see you guys down the next road. All right, we're all filled up in gas. On to the next location. Probably gonna make a quick stop at the grocery store, grab some cream, and then we'll take off to the next location. Let's hit the road. Not too hard, that might hurt. Pretty cool. So we just arrived in Chetwynd. We got some groceries, got some bananas, got a juicy, juicy little steak we're gonna have for dinner. I'm gonna throw it in the fridge before I forget. All right, everything's in the fridge. All right, so I did find a place to go. We're an hour and 15 minutes away. We're gonna head off to Clearwater Lake Rec Site. Let's hit the road. We'll see you guys around the next bend.
Take the next right onto Clazon Creek FSR.
Alright, we're at the Calazon Clearwater Road. We're going to switch the radio. I'm going to head off. This can't be it. This cannot be it. This does not look like a wreck site. So I've been looking on the interwebs and I haven't been able to find anything real substantial to say, you know, there's picnic tables or anything like that. The only thing I can find is iHunter just says it's Crownland. That's all I got for now. When you go to the interactive website for recreational sites and trails, there's nothing here. So if it was, like for instance, like this right here, if I click on it, it says rec site, and it actually gives you a number. It says rec 5592, and you can look that number up, rec 5592, and it'll say Clearwater Creek recreational site. Now, I wouldn't be able to make it up to that trail because it's, I think it's like 15 kilometers past or 5 kilometers past the decommissioned part of this road. And the last decommissioned road I went down was a belly scratcher and almost ripped my bike off the back of my van kind of road. So unless we get like a 4-inch lift and a little bit more clearance in the back of the van, I don't think I'll be going up those trails. Oh yeah, and a skid plate for my gas tank. You know, that would probably be a smart idea. Regardless, there is a trail. We're going to go check it out and see where it goes. If not, then I guess we'll just hang out here for tonight and hit the road for tomorrow morning. I guess that's the best thing we can do, right? Oh, well, we're living nomadic. I mean, that's probably the best thing about being nomadic is being able to just live wherever you want to park. Is if you just want to live here for tonight, well, it's free. It's not going to cost you anything. This is home for tonight. Home is where you park it. That's the great thing. I don't think humans were built to sit still or sit in boxes. We were made to hunt and gather and move about and camp and explore. I think that's just part of our nature. Like every day I'm just out there going, what else can I see today? What else can I do today? You know, maybe tomorrow we could be mountain biking or the next day I could be hiking. I have no idea. And that's the great thing about van life is you never know. I've got everything I need inside the van besides my fishing boat. That's one thing I don't have. But hauling around a trailer could be kind of troublesome sometimes. But oh well. Eventually we'll go down south. We'll hang around where we can pull a trailer and we'll have some fun with the trailer and the boat. But till then, we're going to enjoy what we got now and here. And that's my mountain bike and everything I've got inside the van. Let's go for a little walk, see what we can find. If we can't find anything, I think it'll just be a couple drone shots, cook some dinner, and we'll call it a night. Catch you in a sec, guys. It gets pretty overgrown. I don't know about getting in there without an axe or a machete or something, or a bunch of bushwhacking, because it's pretty grown over. I don't think anybody's been up here in like a year. This isn't even a quad trail. Like, there's way too many branches in the way. But I mean, it does look like somebody's been out here like just over a year ago or something. There's a couple branches and stuff definitely need to be cleared out of the way just to walk, never mind get a bike or anything up here. But there's still a bunch of snow on the ground yet. I mean, I probably could bushwhack to get in there, but I think I'm just gonna go eat some dinner and throw the drone in the air. I think that's probably the easiest way to get a good look at what we're dealing with. How much trail we got to bushwhack, because I'm not even halfway to the trail. Like, oh well, let's go enjoy our beef rib steak. And there's nobody out here. You got to see these mountains. It's insane. Such a beautiful view out here. So pretty. It's definitely worth the 15-kilometer drive off the highway just to come in and see this, even though it is a dead end, I guess you could say. Wasn't quite exactly what I was expecting. Oh well, what else can you do, right? Let's head back to the van. That's my view for tonight. Absolutely stunning. Such an amazing view. Now we're gonna cook this delicious steak. Make sure you get our timer ready. Definitely don't want to overcook this one. Straight into the pile of butter. She goes. A little bit of dill, a little bit of black pepper, a little bit of salt, a little bit of Montreal steak spice. Flip her over. Same on the other side. Start your timer, 3 minutes. Okay, flip the steak over. Another 3 minutes. Restart. All right, she's done. Let's take her out. Can't show you a steak without showing you how good it looks. All right, I'm just gonna chop her right in half. Oh, she looks tender. Beautiful. So good. A little bit of potatoes. A couple of these are done. The rest are gonna need a few more minutes. Anyways, guys, I'm calling it a night. It's starting to rain, so I'm gonna enjoy my TV show and enjoy my dinner before it gets cold. Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming along with me in my little travel video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to like the video, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.